Hi, this is Alan Smith. We're in Lakeland, Florida on North Kentucky Avenue. Pretty soon there'll be a Union Pacific train coming through here. The no horn ordinance behind me is going into effect any day now. But he's going to give a special horn for us. I talked to the engineer early and he's going to give us a special horn coming through here. Not to mention, I think we're going to have a malfunction of the crossing gates. Let's watch as he comes through Lakeland, Florida. Now that was a malfunction.